Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to see all correct answers in Google Forms. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Google form. On any blank area of the page, right-click and select Inspect. This will open the developer tools on your browser. Next, highlight one of the questions on the Google form. In the Inspect panel, look at the section that corresponds to the element you selected. Or, you can just press the Ctrl+F keys on your keyboard and type True. When you see True, that indicates the correct answer for that specific question. If you highlight another option and it shows False, that means it is an incorrect answer. You can repeat this process for each question in the form. This method works only if the form was set up with quiz mode enabled and correct answers were assigned. Please keep in mind that using this method to view answers without permission may violate school or organizational policies. Always use it responsibly, and only when you have the right to do so. So, that's basically how you can see all correct answers in Google Forms. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.